Silent and deadly, the invisible wall of water. Out in the open ocean, a tsunami can pass by completely unnoticed. It might be just a small ripple on the surface, barely a foot high, but hidden beneath the surface lies a terrifying power. This is the nature of a tsunami. An invisible wall of water that can travel thousands of miles across the ocean, bringing devastation to distant shores. These waves are not like the ones we see at the beach, driven by wind. Tsunamis are different. They are caused by massive underwater disturbances, events that shake the very floor of the ocean. Imagine the incredible force it takes to move that much water. It's a force of nature we must respect. Understanding these silent and deadly waves is the first step in learning to live with their threat. We must learn to respect their power and learn how to protect ourselves from their devastating effects. The more we know, the safer we will be. Earthquakes under the sea, the birth of a tsunami. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece, a tectonic plate, constantly shifting and grinding against its neighbours. When these plates slip or collide beneath the ocean floor, the result is an earthquake. This earthquake, in turn, can give birth to a tsunami. The ocean floor rises and falls with the earthquake's force. This sudden movement displaces an enormous volume of water, creating waves that radiate outward like ripples in a pond. But these are no ordinary ripples. They carry the energy of the earthquake across vast distances. As these waves travel across the open ocean, they can move at speeds of up to 500 miles per hour, as fast as a jet plane. And yet out at sea, a ship might not even notice them passing. The energy of the wave is spread out over a vast distance, making its height barely noticeable. But the danger is far from over. Waves of destruction, the devastating power of tsunamis. As a tsunami approaches the shore, something dramatic happens. The shallower water near the coast acts like a brake, compressing the energy of the wave. The wave slows down, but it also grows taller, sometimes reaching heights of over 100 feet. What was once an invisible force becomes a towering wall of water. When this wall of water crashes onto the shore, it brings with it unimaginable destruction. Buildings are reduced to rubble, trees are uprooted, and entire coastlines are reshaped in a matter of minutes. The force of the water is relentless, sweeping away everything in its path. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by a massive earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of these waves. The tsunami claimed over 230,000 lives across 14 countries, leaving behind a trail of devastation that will never be forgotten. Early warning systems, a race against time. The key to mitigating the devastating effects of tsunamis lies in early detection and warning. Scientists around the world are constantly monitoring the Earth for signs of earthquakes and underwater disturbances that could trigger these deadly waves. Sophisticated sensors placed on the ocean floor and along coastlines detect changes in water pressure and seismic activity. This information is relayed to warning centers, where experts analyze the data and issue alerts to at-risk areas. The faster these warnings can be issued, the more time coastal communities have to evacuate to higher ground. Every second counts in this race against time, and early warning systems have proven to be invaluable in saving lives.